Are you feeling overwhelmed by clutter, both physically and financially? Imagine a life where every item in your home and every dollar in your budget has a purpose. What if I told you that the secret to building wealth could be as simple as embracing minimalism? This isn't just about throwing out old clothes or cutting up credit cards. It's about transforming your approach to consumption and finance. By adopting minimalist habits, you can streamline your expenditures, enhance your savings, and ultimately achieve financial freedom faster than you ever thought possible. These strategies have helped countless individuals maximize their financial potential while living a more fulfilling, clutter-free life. Stay tuned as we dive into 6 life-changing minimalist habits that can not only tidy up your living space, but also significantly grow your wealth. Let's unlock the power of simplicity together and take control of your financial future. Minimalism is often misunderstood as merely getting rid of physical clutter, but it's much more profound. It's a deliberate approach to life that emphasizes the value of reducing excess in all areas, not just material belongings. By focusing on what is essential, minimalism encourages us to remove life's distractions, allowing us to prioritize goals, relationships, and personal growth. This philosophy extends to various aspects of our lives, including how we manage our time, our professional commitments, and our personal finances. By simplifying our lifestyle, we gain clarity on what truly matters, which often leads to less stress and more productivity. Financially, minimalism helps us to curb unnecessary spending, streamline our expenses, and increase our savings rate. The broader impact, a more focused and intentional life that not only saves money, but also enhances overall well-being. Embracing minimalism can lead to profound changes, making us wealthier, not just financially, but in our quality of life. Habit number 1, budgeting and tracking expenses. Embracing minimalism in finances starts with the fundamental habit of budgeting and tracking expenses. This practice isn't just about monitoring where your money goes. It's about aligning your spending with your most essential values, minimizing waste, and maximizing your financial resources. Establishing a minimalist budget. The first step is to create a budget that reflects minimalist principles. This means cutting out unnecessary expenses and focusing on what truly adds value to your life. Start by categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and savings and investments. Then, aggressively trim down the wants category, redirecting those funds towards savings or debt repayment. This not only simplifies your finances, but also accelerates your path to financial freedom. Tools for tracking. There are several effective tools and apps that can help in tracking your expenses and maintaining a minimalist budget. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Every Dollar allow users to categorize their spending and see where every dollar is going. These tools can sync with your bank accounts to provide real-time spending insights, making it easier to stick to your budget and spot areas for further simplification. The envelope system. For those who prefer a more tactile approach, the envelope system involves dividing cash into envelopes, each labeled for a specific spending category. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, spending in that category is paused until the next cycle. This method forces you to be conscious of your spending and prevents overspending. When I first adopted minimalist budgeting, I noticed a significant decrease in impulsive purchases. I allocated specific amounts for leisure and unexpected expenses, which significantly reduced financial stress. For example, by cutting my entertainment budget by 50%, I was able to double my monthly investment contributions. Over a year, this change alone allowed me to invest an additional $6,000, showcasing the power of intentional, minimalist budgeting. By adopting these minimalist financial strategies, you not only gain control over your finances, but also foster a sense of peace and purpose in your spending habits. This disciplined approach can lead to substantial long-term savings and a more fulfilling financial life. Habit number 2, decluttering and valuing space. Decluttering, a core tenet of minimalism, extends far beyond just creating a tidier space. It can profoundly influence our financial habits and health. By physically clearing out non-essential items, we're prompted to reevaluate what we truly need, which translates into more mindful spending and significant monetary savings. The financial impact of decluttering. When we declutter, we confront our consumer habits head-on, often discovering redundancies and impulsive purchases that have accumulated over time. This process not only frees up physical space, but also helps prevent future wasteful spending. For instance, realizing you own 3 similar blenders can be a revelation, prompting a more thoughtful approach to future purchases. This awareness can drastically reduce unnecessary spending, as you become more deliberate about what truly needs to enter your home. Benefits of valuing space over stuff. Valuing space over possessions offers multiple financial benefits. Firstly, it reduces the costs associated with maintaining, repairing, and storing items. Less clutter means less time and money spent on upkeep. Secondly, a decluttered space can curb the temptation to buy more. When everything has its place, and you appreciate the aesthetics and functionality of your space, there's less desire to fill it with new items. Visual examples, before and after. Consider the transformation of a home office, initially cluttered with books, old electronics, and unused office supplies. After decluttering, the same space appears more inviting and functional. The process includes selling old electronics, donating books, and organizing essential documents. Financially, this not only generates some immediate cash from sold items, but also saves future spending on unnecessary replacements or storage solutions. After decluttering my own home, I adopted a one-in, one-out rule to maintain this new minimalistic environment. This not only kept my space clear, but also significantly reduced my household expenses. For example, by eliminating just 50% of my unused items, I saved over $1,000 in potential future purchases and storage solutions within a year. Decluttering enhances both our living spaces and our wallets. It instills a lasting financial discipline, teaching us to appreciate and maximize the space we live in, while minimizing financial waste. Habit number 3, quality over quantity. One of the most impactful minimalist habits is choosing quality over quantity. This approach involves selecting fewer, higher quality items, rather than accumulating multiple cheaper ones. It's a principle that applies equally to clothing, electronics, furniture, and more, underpinning a sustainable lifestyle that also benefits your finances. Investing in quality. Investing in quality items means that each purchase is made with careful consideration. High-quality products tend to last longer, perform better, and often come with superior warranties or customer service. Although they may require a higher upfront investment, the cost per use is lower in the long run. For instance, buying a well-made pair of shoes might cost twice as much as a budget pair, but if they last 10 times longer, the investment is justified. Long-term financial benefits. The long-term financial benefits of this approach are significant. By investing in durable goods, you reduce the frequency of replacements, which saves money over time. This can be particularly impactful with big-ticket items like appliances or furniture, where the cost savings from purchasing one high-quality item instead of multiple replacements can be substantial, reducing waste and saving money. Additionally, buying quality items reduces waste. This is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for your wallet. Less waste means fewer items going into landfills and fewer resources spent on disposal. This environmentally conscious approach aligns with minimalist values by emphasizing sustainability and responsible consumption. In my own experience, upgrading to a higher quality refrigerator was initially more expensive, but the energy efficiency and longer lifespan provided substantial savings. Over 5 years, I saved approximately $200 in energy bills and avoided the need for costly repairs typical of lower quality models. Adopting the habit of quality over quantity can significantly enhance your financial health and contribute to a more sustainable world, reflecting the true essence of minimalist living. Habit number 4, mindful spending. Mindful spending is a pivotal habit in minimalist living, guiding us to think carefully about each purchase to ensure it aligns with our values and financial goals. This approach to spending not only enhances financial health, but also supports a minimalist lifestyle by preventing clutter and unnecessary expenses. Mindful spending involves pausing to consider the value and necessity of each purchase. This practice helps prevent impulsive buying, encouraging a deeper reflection on whether an item is truly needed or just a momentary desire. By being mindful, you align your spending habits with your life goals, ensuring that each dollar spent contributes to your overall well-being and happiness. Techniques to avoid impulsive purchases. The 30-day rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. If you still feel the item is necessary after this period, then consider buying it. Often, you may find that the urge to buy fades over time. Wish lists. Maintain a wish list and periodically review it. This gives you time to evaluate the importance of each item before purchasing. Cost per use analysis. Calculate the cost per use of items before buying them. This can be particularly eye-opening for more expensive purchases and discourages buying items that won't be used frequently. Alignment with minimalist and financial goals. Mindful spending directly supports minimalist principles by reducing the accumulation of unneeded items, which in turn simplifies your living environment. Financially, it helps you save money, reduce debt, and increase your financial security by diverting resources to more essential expenditures or savings. By adopting mindful spending, I was able to save an additional 20% of my monthly income, which I redirected into investments. This habit not only decluttered my home, but also fortified my financial future, demonstrating the powerful synergy between minimalist living and sound financial management. Habit number 5, investing in skills and experiences. Investing in skills and experiences rather than material possessions is a cornerstone of minimalist living that can enrich both your personal and financial life. This habit encourages spending on personal development and memorable experiences, which provide lasting satisfaction and growth opportunities. Value of investing in oneself. Unlike physical items, which depreciate over time and can lead to clutter, investing in your skills and experiences builds intrinsic value that can enhance your quality of life and career prospects. Education, skill development, and enriching experiences not only increase your knowledge and abilities, but also open doors to higher earning opportunities and more fulfilling work. Potential for higher earnings and richer experiences. By enhancing your skills, you position yourself for promotions, career changes, or even starting your own business, all of which can lead to higher earnings. Additionally, experiences like travel, learning a new language, or cultural immersion expand your worldview, improve your health, and increase life satisfaction by creating memories that last a lifetime. Examples of beneficial skills: professional development courses. Classes in emerging fields like digital marketing or data science can boost your career trajectory. Creative pursuits. Learning a musical instrument or painting can enrich your personal life and foster skills that enhance cognitive abilities and emotional health. Travel. Exploring new cultures and environments broadens perspectives and fosters adaptability and problem-solving skills. Investing in a professional certification significantly boosted my career, increasing my income by 30%. Similarly, my travels to various countries have not only enriched my personal life, but also enhanced my professional network and cultural competence. By prioritizing spending on personal growth and experiences over material goods, you embrace a minimalist approach that maximizes life's value, ensuring richer, more rewarding experiences that contribute significantly to personal and financial well-being. Habit number 6, automating savings and investments. Automating savings and investments is a key minimalist financial habit that simplifies wealth building. By setting up automatic transfers to savings accounts, investment funds, or retirement plans, you ensure consistent financial growth without the need to remember or make decisions about transfers each month. Ease of financial automation. Automation takes the guesswork out of financial planning. It helps in maintaining discipline in your savings goals, as it turns saving into a non-negotiable part of your budget. This is particularly effective in helping achieve long-term financial goals, such as retirement savings or building an emergency fund, by ensuring contributions are made regularly without fail. Tools and apps for financial automation. Direct deposit allocations. Many employers offer the option to split your paycheck into different accounts. Allocating a portion directly into savings or investment accounts can bolster your savings effortlessly. Automated investment apps. Apps like Acorns or Betterment automatically invest small amounts from your transactions, rounding up purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. This set and forget strategy is ideal for those new to investing. Online banking features. Most banks now offer automated transfers between checking and savings accounts, which can be set up to occur right after each payday. By incorporating these tools into your financial strategy, you can ensure that your savings grow steadily and surely, reflecting the minimalist principle of simplifying actions to maximize results. Meet Sarah. a 29-year-old graphic designer who embraced minimalist habits 2 years ago. Initially overwhelmed by debt and clutter, Sarah adopted the habits discussed. She streamlined her budget, prioritized quality over quantity, and focused on investing in skills. By automating her savings, decluttering her home, and practicing mindful spending, she not only cleared $10,000 of debt, but also tripled her savings. This transformation allowed her the financial freedom to pursue a passion project, further enhancing her career and personal satisfaction. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Don't forget to comment below with your own experiences or questions. Stay tuned for upcoming content on how to further simplify and enrich your life.